Namaste, I'm Jamin Dr. Priyanka. Today I will discuss about production technology of chili. Chili production technology, first name, common name, also known as chili, and scientific name is Capsicum annum, M. family solanaceae. And introduction. Chili is one of the most valuable crop in India. The crop is grown largely for its fruits all over the India. It is used in India are the principal ingredient of various curries and chutney. It is also used for vegetables, spices, condiments, sauce and pickle. Dry chili are used for curry powder. Red chili is due to capsaicin and pungency of chili is due to the active constitute capsaicin and alkaloid is extracted from chili and used to garnish and major chili farming tracts in India and first rank in chili production Andhra Pradesh and most commonly Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu leading state. Variety Pusa Sadabhar, Pusha Jwala, Pantsivan are the chili variety for cultivation of Uttarakhand and many of the farmer are grown variety from Pantnagar for long and even using on variety and climate. The chili is plant to tropical, subtropical region, grown very warm and humid climate and a temperature is required 20 to 25 degrees centigrade and no moisture in soil duration. Blossom cultivation and fruit formation cause the bud and deep blooming and fruit drop. Excessive rainfall is detrimental to the crop because it is being about defoliation and rotting of the plants as the rain crop it is grown the area is in an annual precipitation of 25 to 30 inches and wheat soil. Chili can be grown in a range of soil, but black soil which retain moisture for long period are suitable for rainfall crop, whereas well-drained soil, dialectic soil and sandy loam are good under irrigated condition and in hill of Uttarakhand, Chile are wide range of soil ranging and sandy to clay loam. And land preparation, chili can be grown in all type of soil, but the sandy loam, clay loam, and loam soil is best suited for it, and its soil must be well drained and well aerated. Acidic soil are not suitable for chili cultivation, and land is prepared giving 2 to 3 plowing and core pressing after each plowing. Compost required 150 to 20 quintal per hectare, and this pictures bed preparation, mulch seed and mulching and hold on mulch seed and planting material and propagation. Chili is propagated by seed and 1.5 kg required for per hectare seed. In case of chili crop in Kharif is sown in May to June and summer crop it is sown in month of July. 1 to 1.2 kg seed is required for 1 hectare and seed treatment. Seed treatment not be treated any chemical fungicide and pesticide in chili farming. However, it is also beneficial to adopt indigenous practice for seed treatment. Whenever possible, the seed may be treated with trichoderma and pseudomonas. And the ideal time of rising nursery for February March in the hill of Uttarakhand and transplanting would be done during the month of April May. 400 gram of seeds should be sufficient for rising nursery or transplanting. Nursery rising. Fresh chili seeds are sown well prepared nursery bed, although it can be sown in broadcast method in the main field and transplanting method is prepared for better quality and survival. The nursery bed is usually raised for ground level and is prepared by through mixed with compost and sand and seed treatment with trichoderma are sown and cow dung in use sand and the seed germinated time in 5 to 7 days about 40 to 45 day and transplanting in the actual field. Polyhouse nursery and nursery spacing and planting. 40 to 45 day old seedling are used for transplanting and spacing required 60 to 60 centimeter and 40 to 30 centimeter and 30 to 30 centimeter according to area. And direct sowing. Direct sowing practice under rainfall condition for direct soil crop, sown crop. The seeds are drilled by the end of March and first week of April. Seed rate 2.5 to 3 kg per hectare. After 30 to 40 day sowing, thinning and gap filling done on a cloudy day. Irrigation and water supply. Chili can not withhold heavy moisture and hence irrigation should begin only when necessary and frequent heavy irrigation induce length vegetative growth and cause flower seeding and plant growth, branching and dry matter accumulation are adversely affected by excess irrigation and number of irrigation interval between irrigation depend on soil and climate condition. Interculture operation manual weeding and apply weedicide like Vaseline and fluchlorine, manure and fertilizer. Manure and fertilizer in chili farming 10 to 11 ton per hectare FIM apply at the time of field preparation and NPK 25 and 20, 50 and 25 kg per hectare and half dose of nitrogen and remaining dose of nitrogen using in top dressing and insect pest control. Most commonly insect thrips, mites, aphid, root grub, spot borer is major pest of chili farming. And for the control application of neem care 100 kg per hectare and application of bioascent and mahua and neem seed kernel extract and melathion etc. And disease anthracnose symptoms it causes necrosis of wings from downward black dot all over the necrotic surface of the affected wings later on food dark brown and black something spot having pink spore mass and evident and controlled by Thyram and damping of Ethium epidermidum shrinkage of the cortical tissues of the hypocotyl and toppling over the affected seedling and controlled by Captan and seed fruit rot and leaf blight and controlled by Mancozeb and Mosaic is controlled by removal of the affected plants and weed apply Carbufran 1.5 kg and time of transplanting and 4 foliar application of spray dimethiod and leaf curl apply Carbufran. Harvesting. Chili is highly perishable in nature. It required more attention during harvest, storage, and transportation. Harvesting should be done at the right stage of maturity. Chili, which are used for vegetable purpose and generally harvested with they are still green but full grown. Chili are harvested at red stage and canning purpose, and chili used for drying are harvested in fully ripe stage, which can be turned into chili powder. And yield. The yield varies according to the system of cultivation. The yield of dry chili of rain-fed crop is 200 to 400 kg and that is irrigated crop 600 to 1000 kg per hectare. The production proportion of dry and fresh chili varying from 25 to 40%. Thank you.